Welcome to the basic class of MS Excel formulas.
Hello, friends. Let's dive in together for a solid base in Excel formulas. Imagine you're not just learning Excel formulas, you're owning it like a pro. Are you ready to explore this journey with me? Great. Here's your step-by-step guide, served with a sprinkle-hatement and a dash of charm. Let's go. But before moving on, be a part of something amazing. Subscribe now. Thanks. What is a formula? Yes, it's so simple yet so powerful. A formula is like a mini genius inside Excel that does all the hard work for you. To create one, just click any cell, yes, any cell, and type an equal sign, equals. That's the magic word Excel understands to begin its work. Try this. Click on cell A1, type equal 5 plus 10 and press enter. Ta-da! You just told Excel to add 5 and 10 and it did it instantly. Wow, isn't that amazing? It only takes a second to hit that like button. Cell references? Let's connect the dots. Here's where it gets fun. Instead of typing numbers like before, you can use cell references. Why? Because when the data changes, the formula updates automatically. Isn't that brilliant? Example, type 5 in cell A1 and 10 in cell B1. Now, click on cell C1, type equals A1 plus B1, and press enter. Wow! Excel just added the values from 2 cells. Isn't it smart? Subscribe, and I promise more surprises. The difference between formulas and functions. Okay, let's level up here. A formula is what you type manually, like equals A1 plus B1. A function, on the other hand, is a built-in tool in Excel that does specific tasks for you. Think of it as Excel's secret superpower. Let's test it. Click on a new cell, say D1, type equals sum A1 B1, and press enter. Whoa, the sum function added the values in A1 and B1 for you. Easy, right? Understanding operators, the language of Excel. Operators are like emojis in a text. They bring life to your formulas. Here are the most common ones. Plus for addition, nice for subtraction, shu for multiplication, slash for division. Type equals A1, B1, and E1, press enter and see Excel multiply the values. Wow, Excel, you're a math wizard. Absolute and relative references. Ooh, this is where you'll start feeling like a professional. Relative reference? It changes when you copy a formula. Absolute reference? It stays fixed no matter where you copy it. You just use the $ to lock it down. Cool, right? Test this. Type equals A1 plus B1 in F1. Copy it to another cell. Wow, the B1 stays the same. That's Excel being super clever for you. Using logical functions. Become the Sherlock Holmes of data. Ever wondered how to add a yes or no condition? Say hello to the if function. Example, in cell G1, type if A1 5, yes, no, and press enter. Isn't this wild? Excel just told you whether the value in A1 is greater than 5. Wow, let's do something real world. Imagine you're making a budget. In A1, write rent, and in B1, type 1,000. In A2, write groceries, and in B2, type 500. Now in C1, type equals sum B1, B2, and press enter. Wow! Your total expense is right there in C1. That's the magic of Excel formulas helping you organize your life. I dare you to subscribe if you haven't already. Time-saving tips for superstars. Use Control, that's the key under the Escape key, to see all formulas on your sheet. Cool, huh? Double-click a cell with a formula to edit it. Use Alt equals to automatically add a sum formula for the selected range. Make sure to subscribe for more exciting content. Final words. You're a star. Oh my gosh, look at you now. You've learned how to create formulas, use functions, and even touch the logical conditions. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll be the Excel superstar you were born to be. Thank you for being here. Your support means everything. So how was that? Isn't Excel just so cool? You've unlocked a world of possibilities. Now go ahead, practice, and shine bright. See you in the next lesson where we'll explore even cooler stuff. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Here you go, ready to take the Excel world by storm.